Boost Alumni Awards were launched in 2007 to put a spotlight on the amazingly talented and successful LFGSM alum. They are awarded in two categories. First category is for professional achievement, and the second category is service achievement. In the first category this year for professional achievement, we have selected an alum who will be awarded this outstanding award to recognize professional achievements that have distinguished himself, benefited his community, and brought credit to the school. I am pleased and proud to award the 2009 Distinguished Executive Award for Professional Achievement to Rick Serkimer, President and Chief Operating Officer of the Sun-Times Media Group, who graduated with honors in 1987. Rick is responsible for advertising, marketing, new media, and information technology, as well as production and distribution of 70 publications and websites for the Sun-Times Media Group. He became Chief Operating Officer in late 2007. In February of this year, the board added the title of President after a proxy battle removed the incumbent board. Rick currently is leading the restructuring and redefinition of the newspaper operations to create a sustainable business model. Rick's career highlights include, prior to joining the Sun-Times Media Group, serving as President and COO of Rolex Corporation, Acting President of Gray Mills Corporation, Senior Vice President of Global Marketing for Goss International, and Chief Operating Officer for two venture-backed internet startup companies. A past chairman of the International Newspaper Group, Rick is also the founding chair and a member of the Economic Development Council of the Illinois Chamber of Commerce. In the words of his brother and fellow alum Jeff, who nominated Rick, throughout his career, Rick has been a high-energy change agent. No challenge is too daunting. His ability to cut through bureaucracy and execute as efficiently and quickly as possible draw minor criticism, but mostly admiration and appreciation by board members and shareholders. Jeff went on to point out that Rick focuses on applying balance of his leadership skills, both at the office and beyond. I continue to quote Jeff, "Rick has two passions that dominate all others, work and family, and both have one speed to him, all or nothing." Our father died October 28th, about 2.5 years after my mother died. Both were two of the most unbelievable people and leaders we kids will ever know. When Dad died, it took a lot of wind out of Rick's sails. Yet he marched forward during the worst economic crisis of our time, and with additional responsibilities at work, and took responsibility as executor of our parents' estate. I know it was emotional for him as he would sit at my father's desk, shuffling papers and mementos and perusing massive files as my parents, while organized, kept just about everything. I am pleased to nominate my brother and mentor, Rick Serkimer. Congratulations, Rick. Please join me in congratulating and welcoming Rick.
Well, the mom and dad thing is always creates sort of a different tone in my spirit here. But first of all, thank you, Jeff. You know, I'm going to ignore the microphone. Thank you, Jeff, very much. I appreciate all your kind words. They'll echo with me for a long time. 25 years ago, I recognized that I did not have the skill sets to be successful in a for-profit business environment. I struggled to attend meetings where disciplines of legal, marketing, sales, auditors, family-owned business, father, who was a primary owner, to understand why we were doing certain things we were doing. And it became clear to me that if I didn't find a much greater depth of knowledge in all disciplines and be able to put that package together, I would never be successful, nor I would always be frustrated in a for-profit environment. Lake Forest Graduate School of Management and Moose Dunn provided me with that window of opportunity, and I still remain very thankful to him for that day. As I was mentioning at breakfast to some of the folks here, we spent a good hour together. It was supposed to be a cursory interview. I wanted to find out about school, he wanted to find out about me. And he looked at me and said, look, you take the GMAT, you fill out the app, you get the letters of commendation, do all that right, you will be in here because we need you in this school, because I came from a small business, family business. And he thought I guess it would represent some balance to the corporate folks that were there. Fast forward, 22 years ago, graduation at Lake Forest College's gym. Today, here I am, and I'm somewhat in awe of the fact that this has actually happened, and I'm here all over the school calls. I usually come running, as Joe knows, to the best of my ability and time. I will say that the one thing I carried away, probably that overrides all of this, is the organization, the people who work for me, those who I work with. I continue to emphasize to them the need to always be learning about the wonderful discipline that many of us participate in this room today in business, the art and the science, both. And never stop digging and learning. And even in my age, 56, the role I'm in, I'm on a constant quest to understand better why certain things work the way they work, or why certain disciplines come together the way they do in this rapidly changing world. So this school is that place where it can happen for people. It really can. And you can put it all together, you can build a mosaic, and you can become a damn good general manager if you choose to. So thank you to the school, thank you Joan, thank you John, appreciate everyone.